Hello everyone, good morning. Our next lecture, Asclepidaceae family. First of all, we discuss about the systematic position according to Benjamin Hooker classification, kingdom Plantae. In this character, the autotrophic mode of nutrition, cell wall is made up of cellulose, no location, only occurrence movement of the plant. Then the division is a spermatophyta. In this character, produce a flowering during the whole life cycle. Then the sex organ are multicellular. After fertilization, ovules are turned into seed formation. Then the embryo formation occurs in this. Then the class are dicotyledons. The two cotyledons are present. Root are a taproot system. Venation is a reticulate venation. Flower are pentamorous or tetramorous. And after the fertilization, ovary convert into fruit. Then the subclass gamopetally. It means the petals are fused and epipetalous stamen an equal number of petals. It means the anther and petals are fused together. It is called the epipetalous. Flower with the calyx and corolla, and ovary either superior or either inferior. Then the series are bicarpellary. It means that carpel usually are 2 in number and the ovary is a superior. And the stamen are alternate with the lobes in equals number. Then order Gentias. In this order Gentias, the flower are actinomorphic, hypogynous with the epipetalous stamen, and the gential orders included the 6 family. In this 6 family, today we discuss about the family Asclepidaceae. In Asclepidaceae, it has 280 genera and 1800 species in this family. First of all, the vegetative character. In this vegetative character, the first is a habit. In most of they are herb and shrub plant, but the tree are absent. They are a perennial herb. It means they are in a life cycle in a whole season are present. It is called the perennial herb. Example of Asclepidaceae. Then other the shrub and climber plant. It is example of Demia extensa. With the milky latex are present. In the Calotropis plant, in common we call the akada in Gujarati. It is a xerophytic shrub, and the Calotropis gigantea, the another species of the genus Calotropis, is a large number of shrub. Then the habitat, the most of the member of this family are found in the tropical region of the world. Root are a taproot and deep branch root. Then the stem is an erect, branch, woody below and herbaceous above. Twin are rarely milky hair and latex are present. It means कि जो Asclepidaceae फैमिली है उसका स्टेम लॉन्ग यानी कि इरेक्ट है, ब्रांच स्ट्रक्चर है, बट उसके स्टेम के दो पोर्शन है, अपर पोर्शन और लोअर पोर्शन. जो अपर पोर्शन है वो herbaceous और एवरग्रीन है और लोअर पोर्शन है वो वुडी स्ट्रक्चर है. एंड in this plant, in some one plant the hair structure are present, and in some the latex, white milky latex are present in stem surface. Then the leaf. So the leaf is a simple, sessile, opposite decussate, exstipulate, green, elliptical or obovate shape with a cordate acute shape and the reticulate venation. It means that some leaf are a simple leaf and some are sessile. This is a leaf is a sessile कि जो लीफ का पोर्शन है उसके नीचे जो पेडेंकल है वो एब्सेंट है, तो इस लीफ तो हम क्या कहेंगे, सेसाइल. जो उसके नीचे पेडिकल प्रेजेंट है तो उसे हम पेडिसिलेट कहते हैं, और पेडिसिल एब्सेंट है तो उसे हम क्या कहेंगे, सेसाइल. देन द ऑपोजिट डेक्यूसेट. इट मीन्स the leaf arrangement are opposite, but the pair of the leaves is arranged at each node at the right angle to the next pair. The above and below arrangement of the opposite leaf arrangement. Then the exstipulate means the stipular absent. The leaves are most of green color. Some leaves are obovate shape, some leaves are cordate shape, and the venation is a reticulate. It means the net like structure. Then the floral character. In this floral character, the first is the inflorescence. The inflorescence is either cymose type or either racemose type. But in the most of plant, the inflorescence are cymose type. In the Calotropis, it is a umbellate racemose type. It means the racemose means that in this type, the peduncle of the inflorescence grow continuously, but they do not terminate into flower. And their succession is a acropetal succession. It means कि जो लेटरल पोजीशन है उसमें ओल्डर फ्लावर होगा और जो सेंट्रल पोजीशन है उसमें यंगर फ्लावर होगा. देन द साइमोस टाइप, इट मीन्स कि इन दिस टाइप ऑफ द पेडंकल द इन्फ्लोरेसेंस ग्रो द कंटिन्यूड एंड they terminate into flower and the further flower are produced. The flower are produced by the basipetal succession. It means central portion in this flower are older and the outer lateral portion in this flower are younger portion. And the umbellate type is a one type of the racemose type. Then the flower is the pedicellate. In flower, in this the pedicles are appearance, so it is the pedicellate flower. The bracts are present, hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, regular, complete and pentamorous, hypogynous. Then the next one is a calyx. So sepals number of 5, polysepalous or connect at the base, arrangement of the quinquecillary and rarely is the valvate estivation. In this the calyx in this calyx the number of sepals are 5. They mostly sepals are green in color and they are polysepalous. Polysepalous means the petals are not fused together. 5 sepals in the 2 internal arrangement, 2 external arrangement, and 1 are internal and external arrangement. It is called the quinquecillary arrangement. Then the corolla in the same of the calyx, the petals number are 5, but they are gamopetalous. Means in this figure we show the all petals are fused together in this portion. This is called the gamopetalous. They are a pink or whitish color with the purple spots, and the estivation is a twisted or valvate. It means in this twisted, the one margin of the petals overlap to the next one, and the other margin is overlapped by the third. It means the first are overlap the second, second overlap the third, third overlap the fourth, and fourth overlap the fifth. In this arrangement, it is called the twisted arrangement. The androecium. In this androecium, the stamen are number of 5. Cylindrous, gynostegium, anther are dictacus. The anther have undergone some modification are represented by the 2 sex-like structure called the pollinia. In this, the number of stamen are 5. They are cylindrous. Cylindrous means the anther and as well as the filaments of the stamen are fused together the whole length of the stamen. Then the gynosteum. The gynosteum means the stamen fused with the stematic disc. It means the lower portion of the stamen. Then the anther are dicacus, means they are 2 lobe. The anther have undergone some modification. They are represented by the 2 like structure like this. It is called the pollinia. This is the unique character of the pollinia in this Asclepidaceae family. Okay, in this family, the two visible sac-like portion in this structure they are present. So it is called the pollinia. The next one is a gynoecium. The carpel are 2 in number, so it is called the bicarpellary. Then the syncarpus means the ovary are fused together. The pistil free below and fused the above. The ovary is a superior with the unilocular and many ovules are present in this unilocular. And placentation are marginal. It means the placenta developed to the marginal surface of the carpel. Fruit is a pair of follicle in this figure. We saw the seed are small and compressed with the long seal hairy structure. The pollination by entomophilus. It means the pollination by insects. In this figure, we show this is the elish of flower. In this, the pollinia are present. then the style, calyx, corolla, petals present. But we discuss about the floral formula and floral diagram. So first, the bract is a present, then the actinomorphic, then the bisexual, calyx number of 5, but they are polypetalous, corolla also 5, but they are gamopetalous, then the androecium, anther are 5 in number. The androecium is epipetalous, it means the calyx and corolla are attached. Then the gynoecium are 2, they are a syncarpous and ovary is a superior. So in this floral formula, we discuss the floral diagram. The BR means the bract are present, then they are actinomorphic, then the bisexual, it means the androecium and gynoecium are both present. Then the calyx number of 5, they are free and estivation is a valvate. Then the corolla number of 5, they are attached to in this portion. They are 5 in number and they are a gamopetalous. Then the anther are, these are anther in 5 in number and they are not attached, but in this portion, this is a pollinia present. In the gynoecium, ovary is a 2 in number and they are a superior. So this is the floral formula and floral diagram. In the next, the Asclepiadaceae curcivia, this is the floral diagram. Then the Calotropis procera. In this Calotropis procera, the bract and bracteolar both are present. Flower are actinomorphic. Calyx and corolla both are 5 in number. Calyx is a polysepalous, corolla is a gamopetalous. Then the anther are fused together. Ovary is a superior and two bicarpellary. The next plant is a Calotropis gigantea. The bract and bracteolate both are present. This is the mistake. Bract and bracteolate both are present. Then the flower are actinomorphic. Then the bisexual, calyx are 5 in number. They are imbricate estivation. Then the corolla are 5 number. They are gamopetalous. They twisted estivation. Anther are 5. The 5 are attached to each other. They are syncarpous. Then the ovary is a 2 and ovary are superior. This is some plant example of the Asclepiadaceae, the Calotropis procera. It is commonly in Gujarati called the Akado. Calotropis gigantea, the same genus of the Calotropis. Thank you all.